Really need to sort this out here. And if this is the guy, they don't really need to specifically follow shut lines. It would be better if they did, to be fair, but although what I'm thinking is this one looks pretty close to it now. I want to go off round the corner too much. Right, let's create some sort of light. Best way to do this, let's have a thing, probably a sphere to be fair. Shift A, and a, you know what, I'm going to do a cube. 1, 2. Sound crazy? Right, so do we control? Quick way of putting a sub D on is doing a control and pressing a number, say 3. Your viewport level's 3. More than that. Like that. And stick a cast on. And put the factor to 1. There we go, we have a nice UV unwrapped sphere. Like that. Right, so right, so if we use the middle as same demonstrate. So there's the glass lens and then the reflector behind the chrome part. So if that's still half a sphere, shall we say? A sphere? And then this is just scaled back. Right, so what we shall do in the center, that's what do control plus till it gets to the images a sec. Right, so now scale Y, go as our light shape, and that will be disconnected at one point. Just leave them together for now though. And do it smooth. How many points has that got? 386 for exporting as STL. We'll probably have to put another smooth on it. Subdivide, sorry. You think of it as, it looks nice and smooth there in the viewport. What you're actually exporting is that. If you understand. That's how smooth it's going to be. With a print, it's going to be all faceted like that. Just stick a sub D on again. See how it's smoothing out each time. They'll get to a point where you can't really see them, so Probably a 3 should do this time. There you go. Oh, we don't need that on for now. Let's leave it. And what we could do is do a Shift S, put cursor back to world origin. And if we do a set origin to 3D cursor, and then put a mirror on. Right, so there's our headlights. Now then, let's check all the surround. See, the grill can be a problem here. Sometimes best to put like a piece on the back of it so it's solid. Otherwise, trying to print things like this can be a right pain in the backside. I don't really see. Are they just squares or rectangles at least? I think get another one closer up. Right, so what we need here really is this piece here, or at least it goes to here. See, and then it makes that shape, and then that bit is stuck on the other side. So what this is, this chrome part with the circle around the headlight, you can see where they fit together there. So this is one part. So if we do this chrome part around there first, then can we get away with using one of these? Highlight that, Shift D. Yeah, that's headlight, of course. Oh, good one. Right, it's gonna be a slight gap, of course, isn't there? Not sure where this is gonna go. This is better. For a slight angle at the front, here we go. Right, so got a decent side on view. Now that looks like it's sticking out, slightly proud of it, isn't it? So check these rubbish blueprints. I get the feeling that that should be rotated X. Don't want to do it. I want to scale it a bit. Just keep it behind that line. There. Oh, come on, Braden. You're supposed to remember these little things. Right, so we're on that front line there now, so we need to extrude it. That gives us the front face and then extrude them all back. So extrude scale 1, because we don't want it to go through there. Highlight that also, G and a Z. Move up a little bit. Right. All. Y. Back a little bit. And then a huge amount of extrude. And hopefully we can just pull this face out here to the left. Can we get the same from below? So you can see around that one there. Oh, see that there? See how all these are like different coloured greys, different scaled greys. So do a all, then a Shift N, watch them change. See there's slightly different Red, orange there. Then there we go. Put all the normals around the right way, or got the faces pointing in the right directions, basically all of that means. Right, so fingers crossed I can just extrude that to the left. Right, extrude X. Scale X. Strict X. No. Would it have been an idea if we pulled that whole side across? Let's see again. No, just the top. Then they can go all the way into the middle. For example, where is that? I'll just do another extrude X there. For X3 to hide, to delete those faces, otherwise they create a mess in the middle. Right, mirrors on, so I'm clipping, and we also want to just add a 0 just in case. Stop them together. Cool. Right, so we now have it. Basically the same at either side, isn't it? Right, so let's do that. So 3, is it that one? 1, 2 down. Yes, and 2 and that. Is that one? That one. That's the center. So one to the side. Yeah. Hey, damn it. Extrude X. Scale X. Oh, that's 0. Scale X 0. 1. Excuse me. Right, code way. They need to go off around the corner. Let's think. Code. G and D and X. 1. Scale X. Scale X. Alright, just want to move these back a little bit. X3 just in case. Right now, if we can join these to that, or we do that first. Extrude X again. Keep it similar size. Right, these are going to need 2. No, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to join these first. Print F. Seriously, sometimes the simplest things. What on earth did he select there? F, right. That needs to slide a little bit. And then scale Z. Alright. All of these also. Extrude X. Not too far, of course. Deselect these ones. Scale Z. So you can select all of these and deselect these ones. Scale Z. Yay, I'm a dog. Woof, woof, woof. Moving back a bit. I'm not saying I'm a dog. There's a dog barking outside. Right. Totally random comment. I'm a dog. F. 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 So yeah, that's a different, slightly different bit. All shift N. There we go. Down a bit. Right, same again. 2. 1. 2. Feeling. 1. Scale Z. Okay. Lovely. We'll just put the smooth back on them, and of course, more smooth. Go. Starting of the front grille. Nice. Alright, Control S. And I'll get you the next one.